Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. Hey guys, if you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanosellinghimselfonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. So guys, I want to share a unique type of little drone that I came across, guys. Man, this thing is so awesome. But before I go too far, let's get into the workbench and I come back and tell you guys about my experience. But first, our sponsor. DST TV is a high-quality IPTV service provider. This IPTV service provider provides hundreds of channels for as little as $20 a month. DST TV also provides you the opportunity to enjoy your viewing experience on the Android Fire Stick, Fire TV. You also can get the app from the Google Play Store and also the iOS Store. That's right, you can use this on an iPhone, iPad, NVIDIA Shield, any Android device. You also can use the web player and view it on your laptop or desktop. This will ensure that you will have your high quality TV shows on the go anywhere in the world. So go ahead and check out DST TV. It will be in the description below. Alright guys, see we have it on the workbench right here, the Monarch Force 1 drone. Go ahead and open up the box. Now I love the fonts, I love the colors. I mean, it's right in your face. Soon as you open up the box, you greet it with poly from the palm of your hand, so you know right off the bat what this drone is about. Go ahead and open it up, and then you greet it with this spectacular sparkling piece of machinery. We're going to talk a little bit more about the build quality a little later. Let's go ahead and see what all we have in the box. Now, as usual with most drones, you get this bag full of accessories like your battery charger. In this case, you get these finger guards. You also get like an extra battery up in here, guys, and you get an extra set of props. They also give you 2 finger guards just in case you lose one, and trust me, come in handy because I did drop it and lose it temporarily. And you have the user manual. I love this user manual, guys, because the illustrations are in color. I love color illustrations. Please read this user manual because it gives you like tips and tricks in how to hold and how to pilot the drone. So you're gonna need this to pilot the drone. Alright, let's go ahead and have a closer look at the drone itself. Now, it's built very well, guys, and coming in under $50, man, this thing is absolutely wonderful. I love the design. You can see you have a battery already on there. You have an extra battery. We already covered that. But it just feels so good in the hand, and it feels very premium. It got a little weight to it. Most of these little drones are light, but that have a little weight to it. Now, this is like the palm control gesture, whatever you call, and it really fits in your hand. And when you put those finger guards on there, it really helps you hold your grip. It's very tactile. Now, it is light and very plasticky, but that's the trade-off, guys. It takes 3 AAA batteries. You just go ahead and smack them right up in there, and then you're good to go. And of course, this is how you charge your battery up, using this USB port. Now, as I was saying, you put the finger guard in. Now watch how my fingers just slip up in here, and it really provides a nice grip for me to hold it in my hand, really in the palm of your hand. Very comfortable. I was surprised by how comfortable it was. And again, look how beautiful this thing is. And when you press it, you have these wonderful flashing lights, and I'm just blown away by how they was able to craft this beautiful piece of machinery. Now guys, this is everything that we have in the box, and this is my flight of it. You can see how I'm piloting it with my hand. It's very responsive. I know I'm going to say very responsive a number of times, but it is responsive. I was surprised how well it adjusts to my hand, guys. Yeah, guys, I mean, I love it. Very easy to use. I mean, can't beat it. Let's go back to the bathroom. All right, guys, welcome back. Now, I just can't get over how well this thing flies. Now, I have to admit, I was a bit of a skeptic before I took it for a flight, but I don't know how they have what they call the motion sensors or whatever. I don't know if it's the gyros in here, but this thing is very responsive. It feels very good in your hands, guys. I mean, it's simple. You just press it and hold it in, and it takes off. You can press and hold it in, and it lands up, down, forward, side to side. I mean, it's very responsive. I was very surprised. I was totally shocked at the hover, how well it hovers. The use of it, I mean, again, This is great, guys, especially if you're not used to flying drones. To have the option to control it with your hands is absolutely wonderful. You can change the speed with the control right here. So yeah, it was very, very interesting to say the least. And it's built very well. Not only is this beautiful, it's built very well. Now, obviously, you don't get a lot of battery life with these little bitty drones, guys, and this little bitty battery. But absolutely wonderful, guys. I'm going to go ahead and rate this 5 stars out of 5. I think there's something great. Christmas time is coming around. Maybe like a little novelty item, or if you're in the office sometimes like I am in my office and have a little space and get bored, go ahead, take it, put it in the air. Here's your boy taking the bathroom. Thank you guys for all of your support. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.